हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पॉलिनोमियल। इसका एक कंसेप्ट है डिवीज़न ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन 9th और 10th क्लास, बिकॉज in 10th board exam there is a question in 3 or 4 marks in which we have to perform this long division. For this point of view, this is a very important topic. Today we are going to understand this topic very briefly. If you understand this topic, it means you have fixed your 4 marks in final exam of 10th class. Let's see how to divide polynomials. चलिए शुरू करते हैं। How to divide a polynomial. डिवीज़न के लिए सबसे पहले हम दो पॉलिनोमियल्स ले लेंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर गोइंग विद ए पॉलिनोमियल px which is 3x raised to power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. We have to divide this px with a polynomial gx, and gx is x square plus 3x plus 1. Here px is dividend and gx is divider. Now we have to find the quotient and remainder. Let's start the long division. As we perform the usual long division, first of all we put the polynomials. Here the main point to understand how to perform the long division. For this we have to see the term in which power of x is highest in both polynomials. Let's see. In px there is 3x raised to power 4 and in divider there is a x square. Now we have to equate these both terms. तो जहाँ पे हमें इन दोनों टर्म्स को इक्वेट करना होगा, इक्वल लेकर आना होगा। टर्म्स को इक्वेट करने के लिए हमें एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ किसी कांस्टेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। जैसे कि हमें जहाँ देख रहे हैं कि पी एक्स में है 3x रेज टू पावर 4, तो सबसे पहले हम एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एक 3 को। और टू इक्वेट द पावर्स ऑफ एक्स वी आल्सो हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई एक्स स्क्वायर. It means we have to solve with 3x square. Then we take 3x square and multiply with our divider gx. After dividing we get 3x raised to power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. Now put these terms below the dividend by matching the degrees of terms. As below the 3x raised to power 4 we put x raised to power 4, and below the x cube we put x cube, and below the x square we put x square term. Now as usual division, now we have to subtract this polynomial. सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए हम इस पॉलिनोमियल के जो साइंस हैं उनको चेंज कर देंगे। जैसे कि देखिए 3x raised to power 4 is positive, then we going with negative sign, and 9x cube is also positive, and after changing we get minus. Same here 3x square is also negative. Now we are using this new signs when we add subtracting the terms. Let's see. Here is 3x raised to power 4 and is minus 3x raised to power 4. Then these both terms are cancelled. Now 5x cube is positive and 9x cube is negative. 5 positive and 9 negative. Then we get minus 4 and x cube is as it. Here we get minus 4x cube. Same 7x square is negative and minus 3x square. Both terms are negative. Then we get minus 7 or minus 3 minus 10x square. Or 2x or 2. There is nothing below these both terms. Then we put these terms as it here. Now this is the first step of long division which is performed by us. If you understand this step, तो आगे कुछ भी नया नहीं है समझने के लिए। सेम इसी स्टेप को हम रिपीट करते जाएंगे। जैसे कि देखिए जो हमारे पास नया पॉलिनोमियल आया है माइनस करने के बाद वो है माइनस 4x क्यूब माइनस 10x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 2। अब इस पॉलिनोमियल में हम देखेंगे हाईएस्ट पावर वाली टर्म को, और वो टर्म है माइनस 4x क्यूब। तो फिर से वही स्टेप को रिपीट करेंगे। इस बार हमें एक्स स्क्वायर को इक्वेट करना है माइनस 4x क्यूब की। तो इस बार हमें कांस्टेंट चाहिए -4, तो हम -4 ले लेंगे और पावर्स को इक्वेट करने के लिए हमें एक x भी मल्टीप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी। तो इस बार हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -4x से। नाउ मल्टीप्लाई -4x विद आवर डिवाइडर gx। आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग वी गेट -4x क्यूब -12x square and -4x. Again put these values below the dividend. Now same. Now we have to subtract these terms. For this we are going to change the sign. This times see all the three signs are negative. After changing the signs we get first sign is positive, second is positive, and again third is also positive. Here 4x cube is negative and 4x cube is positive. Then these both terms are cancelled. Again 10x square is negative and 12x square is positive. Then here we get 12 minus 10. Here we get 2x square. Again 2x plus 4x. Here we get 2 plus 4, 6x. Again put 2, same as here. Now this step is the same as the first step. Now again we have to perform this step again. Now this time highest powers term is 2x square. Now equate x square with 2x square. For this we have to multiply only constant plus 2. This time we are going to multiply with plus 2 to our divider gx. By multiplying 2 we get 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Put these values here. Again when we are going to subtract, then we have to change the sign. 2x square is positive, then sign change is negative. 6x is also negative and plus 2 is also negative. All the terms are cancelled. It means here we get 0. Then remainder is 0 and quotient is 3x square minus 4x plus 2 and remainder is 0. Here our long division is completed. I think it is very easy. Only one step we have to understand and perform this step again and again until we get our remainder or complete the division. Here one thing more to understand is that as we know in usual division, if a number divides the other number completely, means we get remainder 0, then we can say the divider is a factor of dividend. Here because remainder is 0, then gx is a factor of px. Reason is remainder is 0, then we can write gx is a factor of px. That is all of long division. If you understand, then you fixed your 4 marks in 10th final exams. And that question we have solved, this is from the 10th NCERT book, exercise 2.3 and question number 2, and this is a one part of second question. You can see it there. If you understand this division, then you can solve in 10th standard. You can solve 2.3 exercise completely and you can practice of these long division. Here look at the first sum. The first sum is divide the polynomial px by polynomial gx and find quotient and remainder. Same sum is solved by us now. In second sum, check whether first polynomial is factor of second polynomial. Here we have to same perform this long division. If first polynomial divides the second polynomial completely, means if we get remainder 0, then we can say first polynomial is factor of second, otherwise it is not a factor of second polynomial. Now look at the third sum. It is very important question. This type of question always occur in final exam of 10th. To get the solution of this sum, you can see our video on this sum, whose link is given below in the description. It is very important sum. If you like this video, then must subscribe our channel for latest updates. Thanks.